We as a technical service do not make a compromise in terms of service and maintenance. My name is Raule. I am Head of Technical Service at Mosca, and together with the team we give our all to implement our One Service concept. The One Service concept includes 5 service offerings: installations and relocations. Your new Mosca machine will be adjusted at the desired working location, and your staff will be taught how to use the machine. When you want to relocate the machine, we will professionally dismantle it and put it into operation at its new work location. It is important that the producer assumes the installation and the relocation because our machines are mostly not installed one-to-one. Maintenance for our customers based on attractive conditions. The hourly rate for maintenance is lower when you decide to do a contractual agreement with us. In terms of our One Service concept, you receive a 10% discount on our hourly rates and on the installed components we change during our maintenance work when your machines use the original Mosca strap. The preventive maintenance ensures your production. For each machine type, we have a service description where you can exactly see what the single steps of maintenance are. We also have a checklist where you can see which components you have to change preventative. During the maintenance, we do machine updates and software updates for free. At a mobile machine, the DGUV3 measurement is part of our maintenance work. Our technicians have a measurement device and a certificate to do this kind of work. Service on the spot. We are available 365 days a year, around the clock for you. In case of a failure, you always catch a Mosca counterpart to secure the availability of your Mosca machines. Technical training. Technical trainings are being conducted by experienced technicians. Our trainers are certificated and educate your staff members on the safe and efficient handling of the strapping machines. Performance services and retrofitting. Our expertise is on your side to ensure that your packaging line fits in an optimum way to your standards. An experienced technician takes a look at your machines, and then he or she provides advice individually on how to raise the performance and on how to boost productivity. One Service means for us a worldwide uniform mode of operation and for the highest quality of our work. We reached this goal through many on-the-job trainings and through the same standards during our maintenance work. We have a region-wide service network which is marked by the shortest response time. Our technicians are professionally equipped. We all drive the same vehicle, we all have the same toolkit and the same components. With a worldwide standard qualification concept and uniform concept for advanced training, we are able to ensure the education of our technicians. Specialists at our top location in Waldbrunn can assist in case of need via video call all around the world. Mosca is represented in many countries all over the world. 100 technicians are served in our business, 70 technicians are served in a partner business. These 170 technicians form a unique global region-wide service network. The arrangement of our service technicians is task of a highly qualified team in Waldbrunn. With One Service, we guarantee you the optimal availability of your machines. You have the full transparency of the machine's condition and of the machine costs. You can reach our technical support around the clock. We offer support via phone call, remote access via VPN access or via TeamViewer. More and more use we have with our video-based support. In many cases, the remote access or video call can solve the problem and can prevent an on-site operation. It also can prepare our technicians in the best way possible in case of an on-site operation. In terms of service and maintenance, we do not compromise. Because of that, we are accessible for you around the clock. We are happy to see you.